Hi, I'm Scott Whittle, and I'd like to take a closer look here at the map section of our warbler guide. All warblers move in spring and fall to one degree or another, and maps visualize the migration paths of each species. One important feature of the warbler guide is that if there is a different route for migration in spring and fall, we actually use two maps to show those different routes. For example, here we have blackpoll warbler, which takes a very different route in the spring than in the fall. This has consequences for birders that would like to see them. For example, in the spring, southeastern birders will have a much better chance of seeing migrating blackpolls than in the fall when these birds jump off the New England coast and make a beeline for South America. Another important feature of our maps is the inclusion of South America. Warblers like blackpoll make extraordinary migrations from northern Canada all the way into the Amazon, and we felt this was really important to show as part of the global picture of a warbler's life history. Finally, we have migration bars. Migration bars help a user identify timing of migration for a specific species in both spring and fall. Since migration start dates are different for different parts of the country, for example, northbound birds arrive in Texas a few weeks before they reach the northern U.S., we broke the seasons into early, middle, and late. So, for example, with blackpoll, we see that spring migration begins early-ish mid-migration and is protracted, whereas in the fall, it begins really more mid-migration and is not as protracted. One additional important feature of our maps are the race maps. Some warbler species have been further subdivided into races, which may be separable in the field, as in the case with eastern and western palm warbler. Other races are less distinguishable, as with ovenbird. In any case, we show all the currently recognized races in these special maps. Like everything in the Warbler Guide, we've tried to optimize the way we convey the information about the bird to the reader, and we hope that the maps reflect that. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Warbler Guide.